Hey, welcome to Art 101. I'm so glad to have you in this online class. Today, right now, I just want to give a quick tutorial on working with Canvas if this is your first online class. So, when you come into your Canvas platform, you will see this is the home page, the welcome page. And you will definitely want to make sure each time you come into Canvas that you make sure that you go through all of the modules that are required for the week. First, check out the home page, see what the information is there. Click on the links if you see that there is a link. A lot of them I will try to supply video, audio, and a transcript. Here you'll see a lot of the course information, the overview, the materials, textbook, expectations, etc. Uh, After looking at that first home page, click on modules and you'll see in the modules, this is week one, start here. There is nothing underneath this module. You just want to click these arrows and see, hey, is there something in there? For getting started, we have the welcome letter that was on the first page. You can click this link to view the class syllabus. Here, we'll click here to see course policies. And for course policies, you can see that it's actually going to open up a new link that's going to give you information about attendance and participation. Uh, how do you, on an online class, say if someone is attending it? One way we do that is for this first day of the class, it's mandatory for you to take the online learning quiz. That is the proof that you showed up for class the first day. The discussion boards and assignments and quizzes will be your participation in the following weeks, and that will be how your attendance is marked. So please review the course policies here, the drop policy, late work policy, etc. And then you can go back to the class. Instead of going back to modules, you may just click next, and that will take you to the next place uh, for the layers within the modules. That particular unit has all these various pages. You might also just want to go back to modules each time. Make sure you go through all the pages, and then here is the next unit called online learning. Here you'll open these up and read through what's expected of you with online learning, and then click next. Go through this entire unit as well. So take a look around, see what the course has to offer you, what resources are available to you. There are numerous ones from Ohlone College, and also Canvas supplies some great resources. Over here on the left is a help button. If you click on that, you'll see that you can do a search in Canvas. There is also a phone number that you can call Canvas 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I have utilized this number many times, uh, getting to know Canvas myself. The people at Canvas can go into your shell and help you understand various things if you're having a hard time understanding how to reply to a discussion board and you don't have a friend available to talk to, or you don't know anyone else in the class. Calling that number is really helpful and can get you on the right track. Also, this link here, ask your instructor a question. If you want to email me at any time, that's a great link to do it. Don't email me about your technology problems. Definitely talk to Canvas about that. But if you have questions about the course, please do email me. And that's one way. Another is to use my email kfrank@ohlone.edu. Either one works great. So explore what is available to you here on Canvas so you start to become comfortable with utilizing this platform. It's really like a textbook that's super interactive. You will see videos of me throughout the semester. You will have peer projects. You will even create videos yourself. And I'm looking forward to knowing you through the discussion boards and your videos and information that you provide about yourself and your introduction. So happy exploring. Make sure to finish that quiz by 5 p.m. on Monday, August 27th.